So you want to make beats or create songs, and maybe you don't really know where to start. Well, you know I always say start with what you already have. So what you're seeing here is a free digital audio workstation called BandLab. So you don't have any drum kits or sounds that you want to use? Use the built-in ones, they're free, or create your own. If you have a smartphone or a tablet, Android or iPhone, or even a Windows computer, you can download this, it's free. You can use BandLab's free software to get you familiar with recording and sequencing and drawing in notes and even a little bit of sound design. The user interface is super easy to understand, and it makes it really easy to choose from a lot of the built-in presets and effects that you can use, all inside of this free software. After using this myself, I was even surprised on how easy it was to even change the tempo and the key of things that I had already imported on my own. Changing the key and the tempo of a pre-existing track that I already made without any hiccups, without any cracks or pops or crackles, or making the time stretch sound like it was distorted or anything crazy, that could be a pretty useful tool for a sample-based producer. Being able to import your own sounds, do some live sampling, and edit those samples. And on top of that, to be able to create layers to build on top of a beat or even make a beat from scratch. Not to mention all of the built-in effects and mixing capabilities, all for free. The fact that this even exists and is free, this could be a total game changer for a whole lot of people.